Hi everyone! One of the perks of shooting and working from home when I can't go out now is to have a spare bedroom converted to my filming studio. Look at that empty wall that we have. All I need to do is just hit it with two 1K lights. And here is the best part. Every day I shoot, I've got a total of one fan. This is Latte, our studio mascot. She's always sitting here, looking at what I say, looking at what I teach. I bet she's going to be very good in photography now. Oh! Coincidentally, yesterday we have a premium cost subscriber by the name of Dale from Australia. Thanks for writing in. He asked how I can shoot my cats at home. I guess we're going to do one of such tutorial here very soon. I'll catch you soon.